Welcome back to Disabled and Prepping, and today in the mail I got my package that I won from CeeCeeG. She had a garden giveaway on her channel, and I won the bag with gardening stuff in it. So here's the bag. I unpacked everything so that we could go through it. So I'm going to move the bag, and then I am gonna, let's see, oops, sorry, got a picture of my garbage. Alright, so then we, in the bag, we had, or have, some gardening gloves, the ones with the little claws for digging. So we got those. I'm gonna put them back in the bag as we go. And then also, real quick, so I can put it back in there, is a bag of tomato and vegetable garden plant food. So that is really cool. And then I got 2 of these green gardening gloves. And then we got a 36 pop-out reusable cell for a seed starting tray. It's got the little silicone bottom to pop them out. And then we have, let's see, put those in here. Alright, and then we have this bag that's got different tweezers and a seed thing and a watering bottle. Whoop, they're all falling out. So it's got all different little tools, gardening tools to plant with. I'm going to put this over here before I lose something in the bag. There we go. Here's a little bottle for little top to water. So water's there, and then you can get a stream there. You can use a 2-liter bottle or a soda bottle, whatever you have. Here's some shears. They got that kind of shears, and then there's another kind in here somewhere. And then some plant clips to hold up plants. This is, you move the spring and you can nip different like suckers of the tomato plant off of it or whatever. It's just got a little razor blade in there that snaps it. It's like does that motion. We got some shrub plant fasteners. They are like twisty ties. So I didn't want to open them up because I didn't want it to go everywhere. So sorry about that. Also, we got a bunch of plant named, so you can put the name tags on there. And wildflower blend for hummingbirds. That's really cool. We got a hummingbird wind chime. Let's go over here. This is you put seeds in here, and you can put it into little areas. So that's a little cedar thing. Drip irrigation system, so it can hook to the hoses. Just run around. Let's see. And then these are, let's see. They're black. I guess they're just black markers. Tokens pen, so not sure. But yeah, so that was really cool. A pair of scissors. Hopefully it looked like it was a little bit blurry. Anyways, there's some scissors, and we're gonna go through those in a minute. Here's a soil detector, 3-in-1. It does pH, moisture, and light. We got a shovel. Ooh, nice handle too. Good grip. It also has measurements on the if you kind of see it. And then we have this one for the garden. Here's the other clippers, pruners or something, and then some other little planting tools there. And then let's go through the seeds. Oh, there's little tweezers that came out of that one bag. Well, the seeds are all starting to fall. Let's see. So we got some marigolds. By the way, marigold leaves are edible. I found out that from an edible arrangement from they had flowers in the produce section at Pick and Save, or Kroger's to some of you, and they had a little assortment of edible flowers in there, and marigolds were in there. Then we got this one. I can't pronounce it, but cosmos, zinnias, this one. I wanted to say asylum, but it's not. Hot pepper, serrano chili. Cool. And this one is a Spanish variety of hot pepper. Eggplant. I love eggplants. They actually make a small eggplant for like arrow gardens and things like that. I'm gonna try to get one of those seed packets one of these days off of Amazon. Some lettuce, which I will be using in the arrow garden. Another packet of lettuce. Radishes. I love radishes. Little fun note. My grandpa, Greil, my dad's mom, my mom's dad, used to eat the hot, when I'd bite into a radish, if it was hot or spicy, he'd eat them for me when I was little. And then turnips. And then we got a mix of impatiens, different colors. So that's what was all in the prize bag. Some of it will go to the community garden. Some of it will stay with me. Yeah. So she already knew that some of it was going to go to the community garden. So, yeah, I'm excited. And thank you so much, CeeCeeG, for the opportunity and for the win. Yeah, I'm very grateful. And I know anybody that uses the community gardens is always grateful for anything they have donated, because it works completely off of donations. So thank you so much. I hope everybody enjoyed seeing what was in there. Oh, I don't think I showed this. I'm sorry. It's a plant hanger. It comes with the screws that it needs and everything. So yeah, I think that was it then. I just realized I had missed that. All right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.